One of PIEFA's flagship resources is the Super Seed Kit, developed in partnership with Grains Research Development Corporation and Australian Grain Technologies. This interactive, hands-on kit is designed to bring crop science into your classroom and ignite curiosity about cereals, oilseeds, and pulses. With this kit, students don't just read about food and fibre education, they experience it. They can look, touch, sort, plant, and observe real seeds as they grow. Each kit contains 12 seed vials and 12 matching seed packets, germination dishes and blotting paper, a seed depth ruler, student worksheets and answer sheets, a detailed teacher guide, and a full colour Australian grains poster. This kit is available for free, just sign up through Primezone. Once you click on the Super Seed Kit tab, you'll find all the associated resources to download. We also provide additional resources including a seed planting guide, which gives the recommended depth, spacing and density for each seed in a practical situation. Investigating Seed Variables resource is a structured inquiry lesson for years 7 to 10, showing how seedling depth and density influence growth and yield. These investigations will build students' scientific thinking and connect them to modern agricultural techniques like precision planting and data-driven decision-making. PIEFA and GRDC are committed to producing a new companion resource each year, so the Super Seed Kit remains dynamic, relevant, and aligned with innovations in Australian cropping. Let's explore the Grains Education landing page on Primezone. You can access it via the Programs and Projects or by searching Grains in the search bar on the main page. The page is clearly divided into primary and secondary resource areas, plus dedicated sections for the Super Seed Kit, multimedia content, professional development, and teacher tools. Primary and secondary tabs help you filter the resources based on year level and subject focus. Below, you'll spot direct links to the Super Seed Kit, extension tasks, downloadable posters, and other classroom tools. You'll also find the Grains Multimedia Gallery, Primezone Academy e-learning modules, and teacher professional development resources. All resources are offered as printable PDFs or writable digital files, making them adaptable to in-class, remote, or blended learning. For our primary students, we have resources on offer like winter wheat and summer sunflowers. This is a standout resource designed for Foundation to Year 2, although easily adapted to other year levels. It's a 4-lesson series, with each lesson available independently or as part of a sequence. Activities include zoom in, zoom out image tasks, labelling plant parts, sequencing growth stages, tracing mazes, and video prompts. There's a literacy component. Students write a story about a crop, annotate the events, and integrate science vocabulary. A key component is the planting investigation, where students grow seeds in class or at home and measure growth over time using guided templates. For mathematics and health integration, students can complete a graphing activity of wheat and sunflower foods they've consumed and compare white, wholemeal, and multigrain bread. With built-in scaffolding, model answers, and clear equipment lists, this unit is classroom ready for both experienced and new teachers. Secondary teachers can find an area packed with rich inquiry-based resources. The newest is the Sustainable Solutions Solving Australian Grains Industry Challenges. Lesson 1 lays the foundation for the series, exploring grain regions, crop types, and sustainability. Students begin with a school-based challenge, like reducing waste, before applying this problem-solving technique to the grains industry issues. Lesson 2 dives deeper into sustainability challenges and introduces innovations, technologies, and real Australian case studies tackling these particular challenges. Lesson 3 allows students to create a campaign promoting a career that addresses one of the agricultural challenges. It combines science, design, and persuasive messaging. A number of other resources are available in the secondary area, including growing Australian grains, investigating seed variables, and the seed planting guide linked to the Super Seed Kit. Also, the GRDC Careers card game is a fun way to explore careers across the grain supply chain, integrating STEM, industry, and vocational perspectives. Don't forget the multimedia learning kits, Primezone Academy courses, and teacher professional development resources linked throughout the page. Make sure you subscribe to the PIEFA newsletter to receive updates about new resources, webinars, and enhancements from GRDC and PIEFA. Our ongoing collaboration ensures that you and your students have access to accurate, engaging, and future-focused resources for teaching about the Australian grain industry. Access all the resources and information in this webinar from either primezone.edu.au or the Grains Education page on Primezone.